This is the test for 4.1 through 4.3. You need to show all of your work. Number 1, solve by graphing. Need to know the slope and the y-intercept and show on the graph. Number 2 is from section 4.2, solve by substitution. Number 3 is solved by substitution also. Number 4 and 5 come from the last lesson of the chapter, 4.3. So please solve them by elimination or adding to eliminate a variable. You must show all of your steps on these questions, and all of the work is going to be very important. That's what I will be looking at. They are relatively simple questions, but you must show all the work because that's what I will be looking for.